Hey, I just wanted to show you this compact fridge real quick, and I love how small it is. Like, if you need a small compact fridge, this looks like a good one because it is one of the smallest that I've seen, and yet still has plenty of room. Got 3 compartments there, 2 shelves, and a bottom area. You also have spots for sodas there, and a door as well for larger, taller items. But yeah, puts out good coldness. Is that the right way to say it? Makes things cold. But good compact size door. The door works well. Good handle there to pull from. Good compact small mini fridge. So if you need one that's super compact, check this one out. Seems like a good one.